When I feel alone or afraid, and nothing is going my way, or when I'm just running a little low on faith, that's when I just gotta believe there's power and courage in me. And whatever happens, through good days and bad ones, I will stand and say, I can climb this mountain, I can brave the storm, I can be amazing, there's no telling now how far I'll go. When this day needs saving, it starts with me, I know. So I will move, I will rise, I will choose, I will try to be my own superhero. And I'll be a light in the dark, I'll do the right thing when it's hard, I'll reach out my hand if we start to drift apart.
Thank you, Mr. Vinay Wadi and Mr. Abhijit Pavaskar, to please proceed with the lamp lighting ceremony. Holistical education. We believe in nurturing not just the minds but also the hearts and bodies of our kindergarten children. Recognizing this as the cornerstone of their well-rounded development, the Panchkosha philosophy, deeply rooted in our cultural heritage, provides the compass for this journey. Through various activities, we have interwoven the Panchkosha into the fabric of our curriculum, ensuring that our children receive a holistic education right from their foundations years. It's about nurturing their physical strength, nurturing their emotions, well-being, fortifying their ethical foundation, kindling their cognitive brilliance, and most importantly, their boundless joy. As parents, you play a pivotal role in this journey, and we are elated to showcase the incredible progress, talent, skills of our children today. So let's celebrate the wonder of learning, growth, and the holistic development of our kindergarten stars. Once again, a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you for being a part of this special day. Let us understand what is Panchkosha. NEP National Education Policy 2020 and NCF National Curriculum Framework 2022. The Annamaya Kosha, which involves the physical development through food, exercise and sleep in our children. It is our outer body strength. Pranamaya Kosha, known for its vital energy and breath. It is our inner body strength. The Manomoya Kosha, which activates the social, emotional and ethical development in children. The Vignamaya Kosha, which is about the cognitive development in children, child's ability to think and reason. the bliss and happiness in children's life through Anandamaya Kosha, which is responsible for aesthetic and cultural development in children. So, this is the philosophy of Panchkosha. Priyanka teacher to please come and proceed the event further.
Parents, are you excited? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Thank you. Welcome our first presentation of the day. Our children of class Junior KG are all set to perform on the Jumbo song. And welcome you all the journey of Panchakosha.
AK, Jumbo, Arwal, bring it in like this.
You can chase the money and the bling. Money can buy you everything. Not gonna take you so far. You gotta have a bill to be a star. Welcome to the jungle, baby. रहता हूँ यहाँ मेरे यारों के साथ. I got a big heart, so if you wanna party, buddy, you just come on in, yeah. जमा दे रंग, yo, दिल मेरा जंबो.
Jumbo, got a big heart, baby.
जैसे है जिगर, baby, you say ultra cool, yo. M से है मस्ताना.
I got a big heart.
B is for the best of friends, always number one, yeah. यारों का यार, yo, दिल मेरा जंबो. Here comes extra large, cause I'm a big, big guy.
I got a big heart.
Everybody wanna be my buddy, yeah. And I can tell you why. Dil mera jumbo.
Gentlemen, parents and friends, get ready to be enchanted by the tiny wonders of a preschool. Our adorable playgroup kids are about to steal your hearts with their performance on ever charming song. Dil hai chota sa, choti si aasha.
छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया। झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा।
Magical. A big round of applause for our incredible playgroup class and their heartwarming performance on Dil Hai Chhota Sa. Performance by our playgroup kids as they dance to the charming song Tu Dhoop Hai.
खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामे आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। ओ, क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू। जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्मा गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चकले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले से। तुझ में अगर प्यास है बारिश का घर भी पास है। रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
Please come and proceed the event further. Thank you.
Annamaya Kosha, physical development. Healthy body, healthy mind. Our little performers are a living testament to that. Let us witness the boundless energy and enthusiasm as they take the stage and dive into the world of movement, health and physical vitality with the lively dance performance by our class of Junior KG. Get ready to be amazed.
Left leg आगे आगे, right leg पीछे पीछे, आजा यारा let's start away. सर को घुमा ले राउंड, पैर सारा अप डाउन, कितनी सी ये बात वे. वो बनता ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए, हाथों में तू हाथ थाम ले. पीछे पीछे आजा यारा let's start away. सर को घुमा ले राउंड, पैर सारा अप डाउन, कितनी सी ये बात वे. वो बनता ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए, हाथों में तू हाथ थाम ले.
Activities at Purda Jumbo Kids. That includes a jumbo snacks menu, birthday policy, parachute play, music and moment, outdoor activity and sports day. May I now request Priyanka teacher to please come and the Nandini teacher to please come and proceed the event further.
Annamaya Koshas emphasizes the significance of thoughts and emotions. Purda Jumbo Kids is all about the learning through joy and mindful practices, and it truly stands for nurturing not just a knowledge but also heart. Our little kids of Junior KG are here to echo this sentiment through a special dance act. Now let us get ready for the performance that reflects the importance of social and emotional well-being. Their expression and emotion are sure to captivate you. So stay tuned.
तू मुस्कुराए तो दिल को चैन आए, तेरी छोटी सी हंसी से मेरा दिन बन जाए. तू मुस्कुराए तो दिल को चैन आए, तेरी छोटी सी हंसी से मेरा दिन बन जाए. रात को जैसे मीठा सा खाब आए, जो तू मुस्कुराए मेरा दिन बन जाए. ओ दिन बन जाए, जो तू मुस्कुराए दिन बन जाए, जो तू स्पर्शाने खुलते नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते मायेच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते
बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे जन्म के मैं भूल आऊंगी हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां हाँ कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां मैं पूरी करा जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां मैं जीना मैं पूरी करा मैं जीना मैं पूरी करा
Parents, good evening. Enjoying so far? Okay, we have a very special person in house, and let me introduce to you. We are very fortunate to have the Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Prasad Patil with us. Dr. Prasad Patil is the owner of Global Hospital Vaikinagar Annex and Global Hospital Agarwal Global City. He is a well-known obstetrician and gynecologist in Virar. I would now request Priyanka teacher to kindly felicitate our chief guest. Sir, please come out. Request the honorable chief guest to say a few words and motivate our students and our parents.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prasad Patil, owner of Global Hospital. Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, parents, teachers and little ones, good evening to everyone. It's truly to honor and a delight to stand before you today at this annual preschool concert. Thank you to Pota Jumbo Kids Virar for inviting me to witness the young talent of our nation. Today, I would like to share with you a topic that is close to my heart, the deep impact that healthy parents can have on raising healthy children. The saying, healthy parents, healthy children is not just a catchy phrase but a fundamental truth. The well-being of our children is directly linked to the physical, emotional and mental health of their parents. You, the parents, are the first and most influential teacher in your children's life. When parents prioritize their own well-being by accepting a nutritious diet, engaging in regular exercises and embracing a healthy lifestyle, they set a powerful example for their children by making health-conscious choices. We instill in our children the value of taking care of their bodies and making positive choices for a lifetime. Equally important is the impact of emotional and mental health. Parental stress and emotional well-being significantly affect the emotional development of our children. When parents model flexibility, empathy, and effective coping strategies, they equip their children with the emotional tools needed to navigate life's challenge. A harmless home environment filled with love, support, and positive communication lays the groundwork for emotionally strong children. It's essential for parents to make a conscious effort to prioritize quality time with their children. Engaging in activities that build connection, such as reading, playing, and sharing meals together, creates a nurturing environment that brings healthy emotional and social developments. As we witness the vibrant performance of these little kids on stage, let us celebrate not just their academic achievements but also the values and habits they are absorbing from the adults in their lives. Your role as parents extends far beyond providing material comforts. You are the architect of the healthy foundation upon which your children build their futures. In conclusion, I encourage each one to prioritize your own health, both physical and emotional together, as a community dedicated to growth and prosperity of our children. We can ensure that they blossom into healthy, happy individuals ready to take on the world. Thank you, and may the joy of learning and growth continue to illuminate the path of our precious children. Good evening to everyone.
For your golden words. It's an honor to hear from you, and it was also a very good learning for us. A healthy parent can raise a healthy child. Thank you very much. I request everyone that we'll take a short break of 10 minutes and then we'll shuffle again.
Moving on the next kosha, Vignamaya kosha. Cognitive development. The intellectual layer, expanding the intellect and wisdom through learning, reading and gaining knowledge help us develop the Vignamaya kosha. At Pudha Jumbo Kids, we dive into the perfect blend of education and excitement by learning the math through hands-on activity, number magic, foundational literacy program, symphonics, science experiments and learning by doing that enhance their cognitive ability, thereby developing Vignamaya kosha. Let's extend them a warm and enthusiastic welcome. Here we have children of class nursery all set to go to school to meet Panchkoshak friends.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला इसके दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम
Vidya Kosha, Anandmaya Kosha, Aesthetic and Cultural Development. Anandmaya Kosha is the bliss layer practices like free expression through creative art, the source of our inner happiness. Our little artists of class nursery are about to demonstrate their artistic flair through a special dance performance. Get ready to be immersed in their world of aesthetic and cultural. Please parents, welcome our nursery class with a big round of applause.
Dhum da na 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 dhum da na 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 dhum agappa.
Dum dum da na na de ra na 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 dum magasa.
Ragda dhum da 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 di ra na 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 na.
Da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum da na 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 de na 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 dum.
Tanna di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Tanna di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Tanna di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
मेरे हाथ में है जुआन मुलायम तेरे हाथ की और मैं खुश हूँ। मेरे ख्वाब में हिस्सेदारियां हैं तेरे ख्वाब की और मैं खुश हूँ। दर्द को छोड़ के आ रहे हैं हम, खुशी के शहर जा रहे हैं। तेज धूप है पर कमी नहीं है हमको छाँव की, और मैं खुश हूँ।
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm
Love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love me zindagi.
The vital inner layer of our body, breathing exercise, yoga and meditation have been instrumental in the development of Pranamaya Kosha. This practice keep your energy flowing smoothly. Get ready for the performance that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Please welcome the adorable kids of class nursery as they bring to the life of the magic of the evening with their performance on the delightful song Tara Ram Pam.
जो गिरे तो रात सहारा, माँ पल में समझे का इशारा।
हिदाई राय माई पा अगर मिल जाए तो ये संगम, तो ये
ताने एक दिन मुस्कुरा के ये बताया था राको, क्या तुम्हें भी ये पता है प्यार है माँ से पाको। अगर मिल जाए तो मोहब्बत ये सिखा दे दुनिया को। तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम। रातों हर पल यही देखे ताकि घर है कहाँ है, माँ भी जाए बस उधर ही, आज इधर है जहाँ है। ये ताये ना ये माँ ये पाँ अगर मिल जाए तो कहीं मिलके ये सब दिल से कि अब तो जो भी हो। तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम।
Prepare to be uplifted by sweet expression and joyful performance of our little ones from the nursery class as they present a mesmerizing act on the song Ashaएं. Please welcome our nursery children with a big round of applause.
आशाएं 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 आशाएं। कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास। आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार। आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले। आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे
of the evening. Welcome to the Buddha Jumbo Kids graduation ceremony. Our little ones have reached a major milestone in their educational journey. They are graduating from preschool. Please stand and give big round of applause as our young graduates march towards the stage with confidence and swag. Please parents, I request you to please stand and give a big round of applause.
As they move on to the next stage of their educational journey.
As a teacher, it has been an honor and a privilege to be a part of your children's lives. I have watched them grow and develop over the past year, and I am proud of young learners they have become. Our students have learned so much over the past year, from mastering their ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, developing their social skills and emotional intelligence. They have shown us what it means to be kind, curious, and resilient. As they move on to the next stage of their educational journey, I have no doubt they will be continue to thrive. They have a strong foundation, both academically and emotionally. Thank you for entrusting us with your children's education. Your support and encouragement have been instrumental in their success. And I know that you will be continue to be their biggest advocate as they move forward. And to our little graduate, I'll say, congratulations! You have worked hard, and today we celebrate your accomplishments. We are excited to see all your amazing things you will do in the next year to come. Thank you.
Till the last door, there is some important ceremony going on. I understand your child's performance is done for the day. That doesn't mean that you will disturb the important ceremony which is going on. Hello, I have your attention. Everyone, playgroup and junior KG especially.
When I feel alone or afraid, and nothing is going my way, or when I'm just running a little low on faith, that's when I just gotta believe there's power and courage in me. And whatever happens, through good days and bad ones, I will stand and say, I can climb this mountain, I can brave the storm, I can be amazing. There's no telling now how far I'll go when this day needs saving. It starts with me, I know. So I will move, I will rise, I will choose, I will try to be my own superhero. And I'll be a light in the dark. I'll do the right thing when it's hard. I'll reach out my hand if we start to drift apart. When you need my help, I'll be there. 'Cause real superpowers are meant to be shared. We're brighter together and stronger than ever, hand in hand and heart to heart. I can climb this mountain, I can brave the storm, I can be amazing. There's no telling now how far I'll go when this day needs saving.
senior kindergarten kids are set to transport you to a world where dreams touch the clouds. Dancing on the melodious rhythm of Badal Pe Power Hair.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। क्यों हो गया वाह खुदा क्या बात है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
Of our annual concert, Reaching for the Stars, our senior KG kids are about to take you on a magical journey as they dance to the captivity dream of Tuna Hai Asman.
छोटे से रगले मंजिलों की राहों पे ख्वाबों को लेके चलना है इस तरह। होठों में तराने हैं, हौसले दिखाने हैं, मिलना मिलेगा जो पल अब है मिला। सुना है अब हमें आसमां दिल में दबी थी जो ख्वाहिशें अब उन्हें उड़ने के मिली रातें रोकेगा क्या हमें अब कोई जब हुनर साजों से ख्वाबों को हवा दे दिन नया हम ही है हमसे है दिल का जहां मंजिलों से यहाँ नहीं दूरियां छूना है अब हमें आसमां 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 छूना है हमें आसमां 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 छूना है अब हमें आसमां 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 छूना है हमें हौसलों की शमा जलने लगी राहों की शबों को निगलने लगी बातों को जहाँ की सुन कानों से निकाल दिया जो भी हमें भाया वही है किया मुश्किलों की सारी सलाखों को है काट दिया तारा आसमां से जुड़ने चला छूना है अब हमें आसमां 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 छूना है हमें आसमां 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 छूना है अब हमें हौसलों की शमा जलने